Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bubbles. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 6 cups of distilled water, 1 cup of your favorite dish soap, and 1/2 cup of either glycerin or light corn syrup. Distilled water helps create clearer bubbles, and the glycerin or corn syrup is key for making them extra strong and long-lasting. These are the foundational elements for a fantastic bubble solution. Now let's mix our solution. Gently combine all the ingredients in a large bowl. It is important to stir slowly to prevent excessive foam from forming, as too much foam can actually weaken your bubble solution. For the best results, allow your mixture to sit undisturbed for at least 4 hours or even overnight. This resting time helps the ingredients fully integrate and stabilize, leading to much stronger bubbles. Next, let's talk about bubble wands. You can easily craft your own using common household items like pipe cleaners, wire, or even plastic straws. Simply bend the material into your desired shape, such as a classic circle, a fun star, or even a square. Remember to create a comfortable handle for easy dipping and blowing. Experimenting with different wand sizes and shapes will allow you to create a wide array of unique and exciting bubbles. Finally, it's time to blow some amazing bubbles. Dip your wand completely into the solution, making sure the entire loop is thoroughly coated. Then, gently blow through the wand with a steady, even breath. Avoid blowing too hard, as this can pop the bubbles prematurely. For those impressive, giant bubbles, try moving the wand slowly through the air as you blow. With a little practice, you will be creating beautiful, long-lasting bubbles in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.